In this video, I'm going to show you how to link PU Prime to MT5. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the first step is we need to go ahead and create or get your PU Prime MT5 account. So to do that, head over to your PU Prime client portal and then click onto your accounts, or we can go ahead and open up a trading account. Now, if you do, we need to select MT5 as the trading platform. Then basically choose your account type, currency, and leverage, and then PU Prime will then show you your login ID, master password, and your server. So this can be PU Prime -live or PU Prime -demo. So depending if you want to use live or demo. Then from here, we need to go ahead and open up MetaTrader 5. So if you don't have it installed, go ahead and do a Google search for MT5 MetaTrader 5. And I've got a video on here, so if you want to do, go to YouTube, type in how to install MT5 tutorial is, and look at this video here, and that's going to run you through how to install MT5 on PC or laptop. Okay, so once you've done that, go ahead and open up MT5, and then we need to click onto File. And then once you've opened up a file, we need to click onto Login to Trade Account here. So here's your login credentials. Now you might get this little pop-up, so you need to log in. So authorization allows to get access to the trade account. So go ahead and click on login. So file, open an account. Then from here, you're gonna have a little box that says open an account. Now basically we wanna go ahead and search PU Prime, and then go ahead and click on find your company. Now here it is here. So we've got PU Prime Ltd. So go ahead and click onto next. Then from here, we can go ahead and, if you like, you can also open a demo account to trade virtual money without risk inside of here, or we can open a real account for live trading, or we can connect with an existing trading account. So you're going to get those credentials over at your PU Prime dashboard. So put in your login, password, and also server. So depending what server they've got live 4, live, we've got demo as well. So choose which server your account is connected to. So if you're using the demo, choose demo and your login password, then go ahead and click onto finish. Then from there, go ahead and click onto finish, and then you're going to successfully link PU Prime to MT5.